Can you use WhatsApp without phone number? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Here, without phone number, you won't be able to. You'll find three dots at the top right. You can link as companion device. What it means is if you already have your WhatsApp account in your another device, you can simply click on link as companion device and use same, but it will be a companion device. What you can also do is open Chrome, search Google Voice. Log into your Google Voice, select your country, and it will give you a number as well. It is not available in my region, so I'm not able to use it. You'll find your number pop up. After that, you can add in your WhatsApp and log into your WhatsApp. Another thing which you can also do is go to Play Store and you can search free texting app, and other apps will be available as well for texting. You will also find other online numbers you can use, but make sure you be safe while you use the app, phone or app. And this is, can you use WhatsApp without phone number? Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.